I am so excited it's spring. There's so many flowers popping up. Yay! Good morning, I'm Rhiannon, Queen of Adventure. Today I'm in Pinnacles National Park. I'm gonna go hiking. I'm gonna do the Condor Gulch to High Peaks loop. I am in the Pinnacle campground with my RV. I don't have a tow behind yet, so I have to unhook to drive to where the trailhead is. So I'm about to do that right now. So just getting out on the trail. This is Condor Gulch to High Peaks. It's a loop. It's about 5 miles. Hoping to see some condors. The California condor. So pretty with all the flowers and these high peaks. So the California condors wingspan is about 10 feet. There's a lot of turkey vultures as well, so just hoping that I can actually spot a California condor and that I don't mix the two up. I'll put more information about the differences between both in my blog post, which you can find in the link below. So I just saw a California condor. I'm so excited about it. I didn't get it on video. Maybe the next one I will. I was trying to change out my lenses so I could maybe try to get a better photo. This is definitely the steep and narrow section. Just starting to make my way down, and I must say that this hike has been incredible. There are views from just about everywhere. I've seen turkey vultures and quite a few condors too. And of course, this landscape is pretty incredible. So I would definitely recommend it. I think it's a great way to spend a few hours. Is really cool in the fact that you'll just be hiking and it's really sunny, and then all of a sudden you see this huge shadow like over you, and you look up and it's these massive birds. So this is where I'm camping right here, and I'm gonna drive out to here, go through here. Spin. There's a little cave that you can go through there, all the way around to High Peaks. Excuse me. So this is Condor something. It's High Peaks. Condor Gulch.